In May 2020, FMCSA published a final rule updating the hours of service regulations to increase safety on America's roadways, following a petition from OOIDA. The new rule added flexibility without adding drive time by updating 4 major parts to the HOS. One of those was the split sleeper berth. Under the previous rule, drivers were allowed to split their 10 hours off duty into periods of 8 and 2. However, while the 8-hour period in the sleeper berth did not count against the 14-hour limit, the 2-hour period did, greatly limiting its use. The new rule, which went into effect on September 29, 2020, allows drivers to break up their sleeper berth into periods of 7 and 3, in addition to the 8 and 2. In fact, the split can also be 7.5 and 2.5, just as long as one period is at least 7 consecutive hours in the sleeper berth and is paired with another period of at least 2 hours, which can be spent either in the berth or off duty. When the 2 sleeper periods, which can be used in any order, are paired and total at least 10 hours, neither qualifying period counts against the 14-hour driving window. As an example, a trucker could be on duty for 6 hours, take a 3-hour break, go on duty another 6 hours, and then take 7 hours off in the sleeper, completing your 10-hour off-duty obligation. In this scenario, it is assumed that there is no violation of the 11-hour driving limit. To figure out your available hours for the next duty period, deduct the amount of on-duty time used before the last split in the sleeper from the new 14-hour on-duty clock. In the presented scenario, you would deduct 6 hours from the 14-hour on-duty clock, giving you 8 hours of available on-duty time following the 7-hour stint in the sleeper. You would do a similar calculation for drive time. Now, if you take a split and the second period is at least 10 hours, you do not have to deduct the previous duty period. You start with a fresh 14-hour clock. For more information on each of the 4 parts, view the OOIDA Foundation's online education series via our website or YouTube channel.